Hi everyone, Chris from Corsair here, and today we're going to talk you through a system built with AMD's new Ryzen 3000 XT processors and their new B550 chipset. AMD's Ryzen XT processor lineup includes the 6-core 12-thread Ryzen 5 3600 XT, the 8-core 16-thread Ryzen 7 3800 XT, and the 12-core 24-thread Ryzen 9 3900 XT processors, all of which feature significant boosts of up to 200 MHz over last year's 3rd-generation Ryzen parts. These processors with their high clock speeds and multiple cores require ample cooling, and luckily, Corsair has you covered with our own Pro XT cooler lineup, featuring a high-performance pump, various radiator sizes, and of course, RGB lighting, because we all know that blue results in lower temperatures and red results in raw performance. On top of the new Ryzen XT processors, AMD has also introduced the new B550 chipset, which brings PCIe Gen 4 to the masses and unlocks the potential of crazy fast SSDs like the MP600, which can hit sequential reads of up to 4950 megabytes per second and sequential writes of up to 4250 megabytes per second. For DRAM, 3200 MHz is still the recommended base speed for 3rd-generation Ryzen parts, but we've found that 3600 MHz is a sweet spot for performance. Faster processors require clean and stable power, and our wide portfolio of power supplies, ranging from our TX series up to the almighty AXI series, are all up to the task, with features like fully modular or semi-modular cables for easier cable management, digital control through Corsair iQ, and 0 RPM mode to keep your system quiet at lower loads. Parts are nice, but what's it like when it's all together? Excellent question. With this particular system using a Ryzen 5 3600 XT and an RX 5700, we're able to play the latest games at high quality with playable frame rates, as well as tackle some serious video editing. And that's it, AMD has upped the ante with their new Ryzen XT processors as well as the new B550 chipset, and Corsair is ready with all the components you need to help squeeze out the last drop of performance from your new Ryzen system. For more information, check out corsair.com/Ryzen. Thanks for watching.